Hi there, this is Benjamin Serzen with Yuba Bicycles. Yuba Bicycle, I'm the founder and president of Yuba Bicycles, and Yuba Bicycle specializes in cargo bikes and electric cargo bikes. We've been doing so for about 10 years, and we offer long tail, compact model, and front loader models like this electric Supermarche. So this bike is brand new. We've been selling the Supermarche pedal version for about a year now, and this is the electric version with a Bosch CX motor and a 500 watt power pack. Couple of very cool features about this bike. Obviously, you can have all your cargo on the front, so you can carry a couple of kids, 2 or 3 kids, with the various accessories. Here feature is the open loader, which is a soft bag, so you can throw either groceries, supplies, equipment, or carry a passenger or a couple of kids. This is the new rain canopy, compatible both with the Supermarche and the electric Supermarche. So it acts as a rain or hot weather canopy, by the way. Another unique feature of the Supermarche or electric Supermarche is the integrated rear rack, on which you can add a child seat to give you extra capacity for carrying kids up to between 1 and 3 years old. And the other interesting technical point, is the cable activated steering. So why is that good? So that makes it much easier to ride for someone with very little experience riding a front loader. It's much more intuitive, and also it's totally symmetrical, so there's no difference between turning left and right. So you can see the dual activated steering, 2 cables that run on each side. So this electric Supermarche features LED light front and back, 4 pistons, Magura brakes, Schwalbe Big Apple Plus tires, and we have a Enviolo internal hub that makes it very easy to shift the bike or move the bike when you come to a dead stop at a traffic light, a stop sign, without having to put the bike in the proper gear prior. One of the coolest thing about the Supermarche compared to some other front loader is the low step through, which makes it very easy to get on and off the bike and very easy to balance the bike. So which means, obviously, for a smaller rider or a rider with less experience, it's a much easier endeavor. So the electric Supermarche retails for about $6,000. It's $59.99 without the accessories you see there. So the bike will be available in stores early November of this year. Multiple stores around the nation. Many of our great Yuba bicycle dealers are already taking pre-orders for the electric Supermarche. So again, new product featuring a Bosch CX motor, 20-inch rear wheel for stability, and about 300 pounds cargo capacity between the front and the rear carrier. So this is the electric Boda Boda. For many years we've offered the Boda Boda as a compact pedal bike, and earlier this year we introduced the electric Boda Boda, powered with a Shimano mid-drive motor and a 400 watt battery pack. So this bike is great because it's compact, the frame is made of aluminum, and you can carry easily 2 kids on the back, or 1 adult passenger and a kid. It is compatible with all Yuba accessories, such as the adjustable monkey bars, all the bamboo accessories, sideboards, and so forth, the kickstand, and the front basket. The bikes retails for $3,500 before the Trump tariff tax, and it comes with an adjustable stem, Tektro Velo disc brake, WTB tires, double kickstand, chain guard, and sideboards. I'm here in front of the Spicy Curry Bosch. So this is our second generation spicy curry that we've been selling for a year and a half now. It is our best seller cargo bike here in the United States and in Europe, where this bike has been selling very well in Germany, France, Norway, Belgium, England. The great thing about this bike, it's got a very powerful motor. So for people who live in places where it's hilly, such as San Francisco, Seattle, or Pittsburgh, places like this, the Spicy Curry motor, Spicy Curry with the Bosch motor is a great option and really does the job at carrying whatever you're carrying or your kids home. So the cargo capacity is about 300 pounds on the rear rack, 2 or 3 kids, 1 adult passenger and 2 kids, compatible with many Yuba accessories such as the bread basket that adds about 50 pounds of cargo capacity, the carry-on bars for carrying wider loads, one of my favorite feature on this bike. The bike retails for $4,500 and it includes the Bosch Performance CX 400 watt battery power pack from Bosch, external Dior derailleur, and Shimano disc brake and Schwalbe tires. Come with metal fenders, and in 2019 it's going to be delivered with a metal chain guard. So Yuba cargo bikes are available nationwide at a great local network of retailers that you can find on yubabikes.com/dealer or yubabikes.com for more information on specific product.
Great, thanks, man.
Thank you.